Spirulina Benefits. Nutrient-rich, spirulina is a rich source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, including iron, calcium, and magnesium. It is also high in antioxidants, which can help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that spirulina may have anti-inflammatory properties, which may make it beneficial for reducing inflammation and potentially help with conditions such as arthritis and allergies. Immune system support. Spirulina contains compounds that may help to stimulate the immune system and increase the production of antibodies, which can help to protect the body against infections. Lowering cholesterol. Some research suggests that spirulina may help to lower cholesterol levels in the blood, which could potentially reduce the risk of heart disease. Energy and exercise performance. Spirulina may help to improve energy levels and reduce fatigue. Some studies have also suggested that it may help to enhance exercise performance by reducing fatigue and improving endurance. Blood sugar control. Spirulina has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and may help to lower blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. Potential anti-cancer effects. Some studies have suggested that spirulina may have anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed to fully understand its effects.